Christmas. I'm in my jumper. Things looking good, and you know what I mean. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video and my, you know what I mean, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's just amazing. What I want to say to you guys is coming up to Christmas. We got at least after this week coming, then the following week is gonna be Christmas weekend. We're going to blow it up, bro. We're gonna blow it. Anyway, I brought our own chicken. I don't know if you guys gonna have chicken on your menu for this Christmas menu, guys. Hopefully you have chicken. It's a must, you know what I mean. Every family have Christmas on the menu, chicken on their Christmas menu. So one thing I'm gonna show you how you can do a secret roast chicken for Christmas. How that sound? If you want me to do the recipe, if I want to show you how to marinate it, but if you want me to cook it, you have to tell me, guys. I don't know. I can show you to marinate it. If you want me to cook it, please write it down below and say, Chef Ricardo, yes, please make that roast chicken that I can see how you're gonna do it for Christmas. Alright, I'm gonna show you a secret recipe, wicked recipe, guys, and you're gonna love it. Alright, or you can marinate your roast chicken for Christmas and roast it in the oven. Come on, fantastic, beautiful and nice, and you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching my show and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. We love you guys. Thank you so much for coming. Please subscribe. Please leave your comments down below. Said yes, Chef Ricardo, we want you to make it. And also give me a like. And please, I'm asking you guys, share the video. It's very important. If you doesn't share the video, no one gonna know what's going on. So you have to share the video. Tell a friend, tell a family, tell a sister, tell a cousin, tell a, you know what I mean, tell the neighbors, tell people, say, listen, I saw this recipe on this guy YouTube channel and I like it and I just want to share it with you. Yeah, that's the way it goes. You know what I mean? One tell one and one tell one, and the good news spread. The beauty is that people who never heard about Jamaica, because of me today, they know about Jamaica. Because of my food, it's reaching the place. Everyone is doing their bit, but it's taking place little by little. A lot of big top people did it before. You know what I mean? The great man did it in Jamaica. I'm not gonna call it a name. Man from America. Now I have played my part also with cooking. So we want to. Oh yes, sir. Basically, it might seem weird and funny, but look at this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the chicken and put it on a piece of a napkin right here. I just wanna show my fans and something. Alright, because I don't matter about with chicken, because chicken is very delicate and all that thing that when it comes to bacteria and stuff. But what I wanna say, that's the chicken, and I wanna share a little secret with you guys. You see the chicken? I remove the skin from the chicken and I take off all of the fat, most of the fat off the chicken. And when you say, you know what I mean, first thing when I go to the butcher, I said to him, say, can you remove the skin? Someone said to me, say, oh, I'm gonna make the chicken keep tender and soft. Alright? So basically what I wanna say to you guys, that if you want to see how I'm gonna make this chicken tender and soft and moisture, please write it below and I will make the video of cooking this chicken, this roast chicken for Christmas dinner. Alright? But I'm gonna show you how to marinate it and make it get really nice. If you notice, the chicken is, the skin is come off. There's no skin on the chicken. You know what I mean? No skin. I don't like skin on the chicken because I don't eat skin. You know what I mean? The skin on the chicken doesn't good for your head. It doesn't good for your heart and it doesn't good for your skin. Alright? So what I wanna say, some people say, oh no, I will eat the skin. The skin does not good for your skin. It's fat. Alright? So take me through, take what I'm saying, guys. So basically, as you can see, skin removed from the chicken. Alright, let's get back off the grease, this piece of paper off the chicken. And I'll take off almost of the fat off the chicken. Lovely. The chicken is in the bowl. Lovely. I'm gonna show you some secret now. Alright. Right here I have some spring onion, which I'm going to be cutting up. Put that all of it inside of the bowl. That's the chicken, that's the spring onion. I got some more. Lovely and nice. Some fresh thyme. And this is some white onion. Cut Cut up some white onion very finely. And put it straight inside of it like this. I got roughly about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. 5 cloves of garlic. And I'm gonna just simply cut them up a little bit finely. Straight inside of it. What I'm going to do is get some of my season. I've got some paprika, which I'm going to simply sprinkle a little bit of paprika all over it like this. Inside of it, onion a little bit strong. Nice one. But as I can see so far, looking good. Little bit of coarse pepper in the stomach of the chicken, very important. Nice one. Then I'm going to get 1 teaspoon of chicken season all over it like this. I'm gonna spinning around the chicken inside of the bowl. The way I'm doing this chicken, guys, is gonna be amazing, and I know you guys will definitely love it. We're gonna get some mixed herb. I'm gonna simply sprinkle all over it like this, all over the chicken. Basically, you saw the chicken look inside of the bowl? Yeah. Then put this one side. Get a half 2 tablespoons of large butter. Right here, this is some unsalted butter. I got some natural blending season which I just blend up. Natural blending season blend from garlic, spring onion, and white onion and thyme. And I'm gonna pop it straight inside of my butter right there. Lovely. After you do that, then get some more of the fresh herb and a simple mix it inside of it like this. Christmas secret recipe, and give it a nice lovely mix up with the butter and the garlic and also the mixed herb. Really fantastic, guys. Nice one. Get these out of the way. Then put this one side, the butter and the season. Get the butter, put it on the chicken like this. Then what you're going to do, got a little bit of olive oil. This is the breast part of the chicken, right here as I can see. Don't shy, if you got the gloves, use the gloves. If you doesn't got gloves, use a hand. And rub up the chicken with the butter. Put some of the butter inside of the chicken. And just marinate up the chicken with the butter. And that natural seasoning, everything. Just because this bowl is a little bit small, but that's fine, we will get there. Then I got some more butter inside of the bowl right here, and I'm gonna pop some inside. Get the lovely flavor. Just marinating up like this. Alright? See? Exactly what I'm talking about. Get some of this natural season and stuff it down in the stomach. Once you rub up the chicken, the butter and the natural season and everything, well, if you want me to roast the chicken, let me know and I will definitely make it for you guys. As you can see over this side, just once this one I get rub up it, really nice. Come here. Alright, so once all of it get the butter, it's perfect. Alright, look at that. You see that? Beautiful. So that's what you're looking for. A nice one. Put put it back inside of the bowl for rest with the season and everything. Alright? What do you think about that, guys? I'm just gonna be washing off my hand. Just give me a second. But that looking good so far. As you can see for yourself what's going on inside of that bowl. That looking really lovely. Honestly, it's beautiful, really nice. So basically, as you can see what I'm talking about, I got a little bit more of the season right here. I don't want to waste the season because of the butter. Yeah, man. So if you get the full story of what I'm doing right here, you will understand what Chef Ricardo is all about. If you doesn't understand it, please ask more questions below. But I make it very clear, is all the most important thing is to blend up some natural seasoning and put some butter with it, with the garlic, the onion and everything, and rub up the chicken. But look at that. That looking fantastic and amazing recipe, guys. And I say it to you, I know you guys will love this recipe, honestly, because the reason why I know you guys will love it, because it is just amazing recipe at the moment. As you can see, the chicken looking so fantastic. You know what I mean? What on there? Right then, let's zoom up the camera to it. As you can see, the butter and the seasoning, the garlic, everything all over the chicken, and it is amazing. And I know you will love it, so please subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you like me to make it. I will definitely make it and put it on the YouTube channel that you guys can do this at Christmas. So it's just a if you notice this recipe where I did, you never yet saw someone do a recipe like this, because I did the research on the recipe, and when I did the research, I only made the first person in this world going to doing something like this. Alright, well, there's a way next how to make the chicken keep moisture when you're gonna roast it in the oven on a certain kind of temperature, and I will definitely show you if you want me to cook it. Alright, so please leave your comments below. Very important, the comments is very important. If you don't the comments, I don't know what's going on. So please guys, if you watch the video, leave your comments below. This is a Christmas roast chicken recipe. Alright, thank you so much for watching me, and thank you so much for subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out your way. Enjoy it. And my name is Chef Ricardo. One more time. Bye bye.